एके वटेन मायनिंग बंदी, दुसरे वटेन गाडयांच्या बिझनसाक देशभर मंदी. मोठ्या मोठ्या डिलरांचेर शटरां बंद करपाची पाळी. तातूंतच गोंयच्या रस्त्यांची चाळण. सगळे एकठांय जावन रोड टॅक्स फुडले 3 म्हयने अर्द करपाचो प्रस्ताव सरकारी पावण्यार पावलो. मात सध्या सरकाराचे तिजोरेंतूय खडखडाट. हो प्रस्ताव सध्या अर्थ खात्यांतल्यान फुडें धुकलोच ना.
No, it is not yet implemented. It is due for decision from the Honorable Chief Minister, who is the Finance Minister. Once he takes a call, then he will either put it up to the cabinet and clear it, or he himself as Finance Minister has got the right to clear that.
But the time there, 3 months and the date deadline will remain the same.
No, that will come on when it is notified from which date. Only thing, it got a little delayed because there were holidays in between. In fact, this morning also I discussed the issue with Honorable Chief Minister. I said, please take a call as quickly as possible.
पब्लीक ट्रान्सपोर्टाक इंटेलिजंट ट्रान्सपोर्ट सिस्टम चालीक लावपाची प्रक्रिया चल्ल्या. नवी मुंबय इंटेलिजंट ट्रान्सपोर्ट सिस्टम ही वेवस्था उबी करतली. प्रकल्पाक खंय 10 कोटी खर्च येतलो.
Where every bus moving in which sector is tracked, they know if there is a delay, why there is a delay. Looking on your screen or TV screen at that particular bus stop, you can know which bus you will catch where, and which bus will reach at which destination at what point of time. Such a system, is not there. In fact, it is quite chaotic. So as a first step, we have planned to introduce this system in the Kadamba Transport Corporation, and especially in view of electrical buses which we plan to integrate along with the other way diesel buses in the somewhere around mid-November. We want to introduce also this particular system, but it is the whole thing. First of all, you have to have a survey, study the localized situation, and tentatively they have said they will take about 6 months to implement the whole thing.
प्रुडंटा खातीर सिनियर रिपोर्टर महेश गाडी आणि व्हिडिओ जर्नलिस्ट चेतन गवस.